Hey guys, Mark and Twine here. If you're looking at this video, you want to know how you can generate more leads, more sales, and more reps and maximize the compensation plan for your ACN business. And that means that you have the right mindset because network marketing is personal development with a product attached to it. The top earners have studied the craft. Be present on this video. I'm going to drop a lot of golden nuggets and reveal industry secrets rapid fire. No fluff, no time wasting, all facts. Saving the number one bonus for the very end, so stay tuned for instant results. I'm going to show you exactly how I went from being virtually unknown to becoming the number one lead generator in one of my companies. You're going to learn the best ways to generate leads online, even if you're currently unknown with virtually zero technical skill required. I'm going to show you the exact, simple, three-step strategy that I use to hit the leaderboards for recruiting and to hit the leaderboards for sales with another company. You're going to learn how to get a minimum of 100 or more highly qualified and targeted leads to you within the next 30 days. So you never have to chase people again. So you never have to cold message people. In this way, you can attract highly qualified and targeted prospects of people who actually buy. Ultimately, you can start having the freedom and lifestyle that you dreamed of when you started this business in the first place. How many of you would like to have a business working for you instead of the other way around? You're going to get my exact YouTube Fast Start Blueprint and my exact Facebook Fast Start Blueprint. Let's hop right in. For YouTube, you're going to identify the keyword that you want to go after. This is done by looking at what others who've already accomplished what you want to accomplish, looking at what they've done, creating similar content, going after the same keywords. And you're going to do this by using a tool called TubeBuddy. This tool allows you to go to the video you want to replicate, click on the video, and copy the tags to a Word document. These tags are the keywords that you're going to rank on Google and YouTube for, and that are going to eventually bring traffic to what you have to offer. You're going to create a coherent title with your keyword phrase. Make sure your title goes after multiple keywords while still making sense. Create a description that's approximately 300 words in length and scatter your keywords throughout. Place your link at the top of this description. You want to create a thumbnail using canva.com and save your thumbnail as your primary keyword. You don't want to reinvent the wheel. It's okay to be a copycat, just copy the right cat. You don't want to copy word for word verbatim exactly what somebody said, but you want to create 3 to 5 minute content that goes after the same keywords. Use Open Broadcast System to share your screen and save your video as your keyword optimized title. For Facebook, you want to find out exactly where your target audience is hanging out. It's a common mistake to think your marketing is for everyone under the sun. Your message is not for everyone. If you're marketing to everyone, you're marketing to no one. Once you find out exactly where your target audience is, you want to reach out to them with a good first message. In this case, your target audience is most likely going to be network marketers. You're going to say, "Hey, Mary, I almost didn't reach out to you, but then I decided to anyway. I've been noticing the comments that you made on the Tony Robbins fan page, and I checked out your profile. We definitely have the same mindset when it comes to work ethic, so I thought we should connect. It'd be great to chat with you. What exactly do you do for work?" By reaching out to people in this honest way, you're going to have more people reach out to you, and you're going to start to build your audience. As you build with your audience, you're going to engage with your audience on your timeline. You can do this by posting pictures, quotes, picture quotes, fill in the blank, I love my blank, and you can ask a question. You want to make 5 to 10 connections per day. The Tony Robbins fan page and the Robert Kiyosaki fan pages, those are good groups to do that in. You want to be consistent. People will get to know you in these groups by your comments, and you want to comment on the posts of others and be social. The main thing is don't go in those groups and try to pitch and close people. Okay, your mindset should be around making connections and building your audience that you will eventually engage with. You can engage with your audience by posting mostly curiosity on your page instead of resistance. So you want to post 90% personal and 10% about your business. The 10% that's about your business is going to be results of others and your own results. The 90% personal, those are going to be images, pictures of yourself, pictures of food, inspirational quotes, valuable resources, funny random polls, those kind of things are what you want to post, because a good curiosity post can get people to reach out to you for more information. Here's a good example. This morning I made a great smoothie with apples, oranges, mangoes, green powder, almond milk. I had energy all day long. Some people may hear something like that and say, "Hey, what's that green powder all about?" And that green powder may have something to do with your business. Guys, I hope you got value from this. If you did, feel free to continue your education by clicking the link in the description. Go ahead and click that link, and I'll walk you through and hold your hand and show you exactly how I'm able to generate 10 to 20 red hot leads a day. Some people sign up into my business on autopilot. I want the same for you. Go ahead and click that link, and I'll show you how I no longer have to hunt down family and friends, blitz at the mall, and do those kind of things. Instead, become the hunted with some modern day marketing techniques. Go ahead and click that link. Hope you guys got value from this. I'll see you on the other side.